So guys, in today's video, I am going to teach you how to transfer the Steam games to another drive. It's just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, is our Steam application or software, and we need to log in our account. So after that, guys, go to the top left corner and you'll see the Apple icon. And beside that, guys, there's a Steam menu. Click that one. So find the preferences in order for us to open our Steam settings. Okay, click that one and the Steam settings will just pop up. So what we're gonna do, guys, so for us to transfer our Steam games to another drive, you just have to look for storage. So here, guys, so this one, guys. So here, guys, as you can see, we have a Macintosh HD. You just have to click that one, and in the drop down options, you just have to select this one, add drive. Okay, so you need to find where your games or Steam games installed or saved. So let's say, for example, it's here on Blackmagic Design. You just have to open that one and transfer it to another folder that you wanted to transfer with. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how are we going to transfer our Steam games on to another tribe. Okay, thank you, and I hope that you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Steam. Thank you.